This is the Emeet Bluetooth speakerphone. So this is going to be a M3 conference speaker with 4 microphones on it and a full 360-degree voice pickup. So 4 mics on there coming from all directions, essentially. So a nice little case to keep everything stored in here so you don't end up losing any charging cords or paperwork, and of course keeping the device itself protected. So you can see a little look at some of the connects at the back. There is a headphone jack back there, which is great. I like to personally connect this via Bluetooth, but there also is an aux. And then you can see little type C to USB cord comes with it for charging. Grippy at the bottom, as you see there. USB port 2 to connect it that way. Anything else worth noting back there? Obviously, power button we just have clicked to turn on. Little blue light will flash when it first turns on. Then you see settings on here. You can pick up your phone call, up the volume. There is a mic mute button on there, which is super handy, and it does give you a little red light indicator when you're muted, which is also very convenient. Sound down, and then you can also modify the settings with that furthest left, depending if you want, what setting you want. It does have a super long battery too once it's charged up to 18 hours. Very easy to function. Definitely check it out.